This is the way?
My Bruta, you are one white boy.
Welcome to hell.
Which one of you guys knows the way?
Oh my god! THICC!
Whoa, those things are very confusing.
Oh no! No!
Oh my god.
What have you done?
You're fat.
Science has gone too far. This is too much. I'm not ready for this. Oh shit! Damn, girl! Ooh! Shake that ass! Sit on my face, Hank. Come on, Hank. Give me the good stuff. Oh! I need a Hank threesome to happen here. Hank three-way. Let's go.
Nothing.
Let's get this shit.
Do you have anything to say? You can stick your hands inside of yourself. That is very good talent. I don't have hands.
All around me are familiar faces.
Are you actually best at nothing?
Maybe? Are you going inside my ass?
Oh, yes.
Yes! Spit on me, brothers! Spit on me, yes! Everybody spit! Oh, yes! More spit! I want to drown in your spit! This is the way, brothers.
This is the way. This is the only way.
Change to the skin of the devil for 10,000 Ugandan warriors spit on it.
I want to be spit on. Spit on me. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Do you know the way?
Excuse me, ma'am. I'm, from the FBI.
Open the leg and then give me the boom boom.
Oh, shit! Alright, you guys have convinced me. I'll join you. I will join you, my brothers. The queen. The queen. THICC queen. THICC queen. He's ascending to his kingdom in heaven. This is the prophecy, brother. Snake! Snake! What happened to you, Snake?
I have crippling depression.
What's down here? Is this your secret? Oh shit! Oh, this is where you get these models. I want to be Snake too. Alright, now I too am a Metal Gear. What the fuck? What is wrong with my body? It appears my body is now made up of nanomachines. Let's see if I still remember the basics of CQC. Huh, still got it, baby. Whoa! Whoa! Okay! That's definitely new. These nanomachines are crazy. Whoa! I can even die and come back to life. Metal Gear Snake, transform! Helicopter mode. Woohoo! This is sick! Oh, Metal Gear! Yeet! Yeet! Never gets old.
Lagging.
Alright. 3, 2, 1, yeet! Autoclone! I can't stop! Yahoo! Wait, come back! No! Come back! Don't leave me!
This guy, right here in my hands.
Wee!
Get him out of here. You're not taking me to church.
Yeet! Adios. Whoa! What's happening? Ah! Help! Oh God! What's happening to me?
I like the dancing that people do. Wait, guys, it was insane.
No, go. Okay.
Oh my god.
Wait, go inside the Windows 95. It's a blue screen. Wait, go inside.
Where's my fingerprint scanner working in my
So
phone?
cute, what?
What happened to your legs, Snake? What happened?
Metal Gear ate them.
Where's this little thing running around?
What's his name? Tryhard I'm the best dancer up here and you all suck.
Excuse me, you want to dance battle me, fool?
Wait, you don't even have legs. How can you possibly beat somebody with
Excuse me?
legs?
Excuse me? Are you doubting my abilities?
Let's see what you got.
Alright,
Show me
motherfucker.
what's up first.
His legs are dead. They're all wobbly.
Yeah, they're pretty nasty, dude. Oh my god, what?
What the fuck?
You like that?
Oh my god.
I need to know what I need to bring to the party, either tampons or condoms.
Oh my god.
I heard you talking shit.
You're not gonna
Who
get that on
talks
me.
about the top?
Get out of here! Get out of here!
I am the top.
I'm the top,
Nah,
baby.
man, this,
I'm a Nintendo.
yeah, that
I'm a
Snake smashed me in a
normal
dance
Nintendo.
battle. I'll give him that. Look at him.
I only got Mega Man. That's all I got.
Big,
Yo,
it's
this
tall.
girl's giving Snake a lap dance.
My snake is getting solid.
What happened?
Metal Gear ate my legs.
This is your new Metal Gear.
You're inside.
I am a Metal Gear now.
This is the new. Oh,
This is the Metal Gear.
I'm impressed. Oh, that's a nice new move. Where'd you learn that? Who taught you that?
Otacon installed nanomachines in my body. Jojo, what are you doing to my anus? Jotaro, whatever your name
Why are you
is.
doing this, Jojo?
Use your stand on them.
My stand is that car. Car stand. Get him.
Oh! No! Metal Gear! Snake. My clone. What happened to you? Why are you crying?
Laughing.
You look like you're crying to me.
I bring you an offering from my people.
86 is coming. Speed car.
Thank you.
And Takumi is the king of
Take. Yes.
It's delicious.
Good. I'm glad.
What is that? Ham?
I'm pretty sure this is just a piece of wood. Am I in hell?
Poor Snake.
Snake in a Hot Wheels. A Hot Wheels.
Hot Wheels.
They do a wheelchair backflip.
I don't want to be Hankity.
I can do better than that.
Oh no!
Feet just wiggling.
Get up! Bumbo! Bumbo, look at him! Bumbo, come here.
Metal Gear helicopter mode activate.
Oh shit, it's a tank!
I gotta put them all down.
Stand back! I'll take care of this. I just have to remember the basics of CQC.
Ohio.
I'm gonna check out these other rides. Wait, hold up. Yes! Hurry up! Oh, you
I
got
can
it?
see up your skirt, Hank.
Yeah. This is making me super dizzy.
Woo!
He jumped out.
Abort mission.